The Purchase Orders Create screen is used to generate orders for suppliers. This can be automated if 1. You have a stock count. This can be automated via the Export-Import StockTake feature or manual input. 2. Materials have minimum and maximum count values. 3. Suppliers have been assigned to materials. The purchase orders can be sent via email if the supplier details include an email address. You have multiple options for filtering the datasheet. You can filter for a supplier. You can quickly navigate to a specific material. And filter the datasheet for materials. You can filter datasheet by order status. Use material type to filter datasheet for all materials, stock items, non-stock items, base items. These are materials with an associated recipe. Calculate order quantity and set order flag will update order quantity if stock count is below stock minimum and last order is more than 2 days past. This allows for any recent purchase order to arrive and impact stock count. The calculation for order quantity is stock maximum less stock count. Cleanse order flag, order quantity, and stock count. Will untick order flag. Set order quantity to 0 and stock count to 0. Create purchase orders will generate individual orders for materials to suppliers for flagged orders. The datasheet has a route for each material. You can move columns to meet your requirements. Right-click Datasheet to access pop-up menu for additional functionality. Column titles with an asterisk have functionality that can be accessed by double-click. Double-click material to open the material screen. If the order flag is ticked, the material is included in purchase orders. It is automatically ticked if order quantity is greater than 0. Remember, order quantity is calculated as stock maximum less stock count. Order quantity is a calculated value that can be manually edited. Suppliers is a list of assigned suppliers for material. Double-click for pop-up associated suppliers. Last order, date of last order for material. Delivery date is for latest order. Orders is a history of the materials orders. Test date is a pop-up message stating if you order now what the delivery date from the selected supplier will be based on parameters set on the supplier's screen. Let's create a purchase order for the supplier Manildra. We can cleanse order flag. Filter supplier Manildra. Tick order flags for required materials and add any extra. We can preview the created purchase order. And view a breakdown of the purchase order materials. On the email screen, the new purchase order appears in the list. On the Suppliers tab, we can see the supplier email addresses that the purchase order will be sent to. Clicking Email Selected Orders will create an email with attached PDF for the purchase order. Note the supplier email addresses. The company addresses are edited via the Company Details screen. A log is kept of sent emails. And that is how to automate purchase orders.